Hello everyone. In this video I am going to focus some basic command of Cisco Switch, and I am going to create two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, to separate network department and management department. Here I have selected 2 PC for the network department and 3 PC for the management department. Now we have assigned IP to every PC. Now we are going to see some basic command of Cisco Switch. Click on Cisco Switch, go to CLI mode and then press enter. Here we haven't changed the host name. This name switch is the host name, and if we write enable, then we enter. Then again if we write configure terminal, we will reach to the global configuration mode. Before doing that, we are using another command to see the configuration that has been configured in the switch. So write so running config, just hit enter, and we can also see the VLAN description, VLAN created. So VLAN brief, and we can see here VLAN 1 and other VLANs. VLAN 1 is the default VLAN, and all the ports of the switch initially assigned to this VLAN 1. Now to assign the PC, here we have assigned PC0 to fast Ethernet FA0/1 and PC1 to the FA0/2. We can also see the interface. So interface FA0/1, we can see the interface. So interface is off and line protocol is also off. Now we will assign these two PC to VLAN 10. So we enter into global configuration, configure terminal, and write interface fast Ethernet, or give tab 0/1 and write switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 10. As you can see that VLAN 10 does not exist, but it will create. So it has created VLAN 10. If you can see, if you exit from this interface and write so VLAN brief, then you can see that VLAN 10 has been created and port FA0/1 has been assigned to VLAN 10. We can also configure the name. Here we write configure terminal and write VLAN 10 and give name network underscore department. Now we have assigned name to that VLAN. without going to the without exiting from here, we can also see the description as shown here by writing do show VLAN BR, and here as you can see that name has been assigned to VLAN 10. Also we are going to assign this PC to VLAN 10. For that we have to assign this port FA0/2 to the VLAN 10. For that we have to exit from here and write interface fast Ethernet 0/2 and write switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. Now you can see do show VLAN brief. Now both the ports have been assigned to VLAN 10. Now in this way you have to assign every ports to any VLAN. In this way you can assign any ports to any VLAN. If there are several VLANs to be configured, this interface range fast Ethernet 0/10. This one is 10, 11, 12. We will assign 10 to 15. Now we will create switch port mode access switch access VLAN 20. Now we give the name to no shutdown exit. Also now we will rename VLAN 20. Before that we will see the VLAN brief. Do show VLAN brief. Here you can see that the ports are assigned to VLAN 20. Now we have to write VLAN 20 and give name management department. Now see do show VLAN brief. Name has been assigned. Now if you use command prompt of this PC and ping the PC1 192.168.10.6, we have a successful connection. Now if we ping from this PC to PC4, ping 192.168.20.7. Here also ping is successful. Now as you can see that all these devices are connected to the same switch but are in different VLAN. If we assign this PC in the range of this VLAN, see what happens. If we assign 10.8, See what will happen. Will it ping to this PC or not? Ping 192.168.10.5. As you can see, connection has not been completed. There is no connectivity, so there is request timeout. So again, do it 192.20.5. As you can see that in this tutorial, in this lab, one switch is acting as two switches. So to connect from one network to another network, we need router. We cannot directly connect from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. For the connectivity between the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, we have to configure inter-VLAN. Alright everyone, that was quick walkthrough of the basic command of a Cisco Switch and VLAN creation in Cisco Packet Tracer. We configure the switch, created VLANs, assigned port, and verify the configuration step by step. These are very important fundamental for networking and CCNA beginners. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Nexvora Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming networking tutorials. If you have any confusion or want more Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.